Hey guys, for today's video, I'll teach you how to download the GPT app. This is very simple and doesn't take too much steps and time, so leave a like if it helps. The first step is finding shortcuts in your search bar. Tap on it and click on the plus icon at the top right corner. And then add action. Now tap on web and open URLs. Just click on the URL, the blue highlighted URL, and type chat.openai.com. And now that your link has been set, all you have to do is edit the app to make it look better. So tap on open URLs at the top and then you can rename it to ChatGPT. You can also edit the icon if you click on this and then choose icon. Now just tap on ChatGPT again at the top and then tap add to home screen. And there you go. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.